So these are 5 things that I say are responsible for any sort of attraction that can happen with people. Now, I do categorize this. Namaste. A very warm welcome to all of you, and thank you for tuning in to Astro Talks YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. You've had a lovely day. My name is Ankita, Ankita B, and I am a tarot card reader, a psychic, as well as a healer on Astro Talks platform. और जैसा कि आप सब ऑलरेडी जानते हैं that we've done a couple of videos before where we've spoken about relationships, the sort of patterns that we have in relationship, how to break them, how to manifest true love or long-lasting committed love in our relationships as well. We've also talked about love languages as well. तो ज़रूर वो वीडियोस देखिए. Today's video जो है वो that is something that I like to call about compatibility versus chemistry. So अभी recently I was having a discussion with my best friend and we were talking about कि कैसे कुछ लोगों के लिए शायद केमिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और कुछ लोगों के लिए कंपैटिबिलिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और मेरा ये कहना है कि एक्चुअली दोनों ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, दोनों का अपना इक्वल रोल है डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ में और डिफरेंट स्टेजेस इन स्पेशली इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर लव लाइफ ऑल्सो इन योर मैरिड लाइफ. But it is important. So let's, without further ado, let's really get into it. So I say that there are actually 5 types of attractions that we can have. Okay, there is one which is physical, one which is very obvious, physical attraction. When you actually like somebody, your eyes like seeing what you see. So you're physically attracted towards that person. That's one. The second one is financial attraction. Now, when I say financial attraction, what I'm really meaning is that you start to like that person's status quo. Not only that, what this person has, what this person owns, what this person has achieved in life. So that sort of attraction also is very much available और literally होता है लोगों को. जहाँ पे अच्छा कोई किसी ने दूर स्कूल से पढ़ाई करी है तो वो एक काफ़ी डिज़ायरेबल सी नीड हो जाती है as well. The third one is mental attraction. When you start to appreciate, like, and love some or get attracted towards somebody for the way they think, the way they articulate things, the way their ability to be able to think through anything in life, so all of that sort of precisely becomes the reason why you feel very attracted to that person. The fourth one is the emotional attraction. And emotional attraction, मैं normally बोलती हूँ emotional intelligence or how we call it as EQ. When you start to love somebody for how caring they are, how emotionally supportive they are of other people, how thoughtful they are, right? So that is the emotional attraction. The fifth one, the last one, I call it as the spiritual attraction. A spiritual attraction could be when you start to get attracted towards somebody basis their values, basis that deep spiritual connection, when you feel really connected because of the entirety of that particular person, not just a particular aspect, but there is this deep connect of how this person is, and you feel that intensified connection with this person basis their values as well. So these are 5 things that I say are responsible for any sort of attraction that can happen with people. Now, I do categorize this into 2 parts. The last 2, which is emotional as well as the spiritual one, these 2 are attractions which I call them as a part of compatibility, or the reasons where you will have compatibility. And the first 3, which is financial, mental, as well as physical, these are 3 that are important, or they create a very strong chemistry. So what I'm actually saying is ki, see what your relationship are. Now, with chemistry, only chemistry is not going to help, and only compatibility is not going to help. but maybe you can choose to have chemistry first, but at the end of it you definitely have to have the compatibility, or you can choose to have compatibility first, right, and then choose to develop the chemistry in your relationship. And these two play a very important role. They are very important to creating a balanced relationship. So that is it about today's video. I do hope that you like it, and do share your comments in the comment section as well. Thank you very much, guys. Love and light to all of you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.